You believe you are in control. You believe your goals are yours. You believe your effort will be rewarded. You believe that if you improve yourself enough, the feeling of being incomplete will finally disappear. But what if none of this was ever true? What if your beliefs are not discoveries, but installations? What if the meaning you defend so fiercely is just a thin curtain stretched over an empty void? You are not walking toward a future. You are circling a system designed to keep you moving without ever arriving. Today, we are not questioning your choices. We are questioning the structure that creates them. The survival machine sold you a sacred promise. If you are useful, you are valuable. So you tied your worth to productivity, your identity to performance, your existence to output. But usefulness is for tools, not for human beings. When you define yourself by your function, you quietly agree to be replaceable. You replaced meaning with metrics, faith with feedback, presence with performance. And now you wonder why life feels like constant pressure with no arrival. You didn't lose meaning by accident. You traded it for the illusion of control. In the 1960s, psychologist Martin Seligman identified something chilling. When beings are exposed to repeated stress they cannot escape, they eventually stop trying, even when escape becomes possible. This is learned helplessness. And this is you. You've been pressured, evaluated, and corrected for so long that obedience feels like reality. You believe this life is the only option, that resistance is pointless, that deviation is dangerous. This belief is your strongest cage, not because it's true, but because it protects you from the terror of realizing how much choice you surrendered. You are not weak, you are trained. Hope is not always light. Sometimes hope is sedation. It whispers, tomorrow will be different. Just endure a little longer. Your real life hasn't started yet. But look at your yesterday. Was it different? Or was it the same loop with a new distraction? Hope becomes dangerous when it postpones action and replaces presence with fantasy. You turned your life into preparation for a version of yourself that never arrives. This is the breaking point of phase 2, the realization that the better you are waiting for is a psychological mirage. There is only this moment, this body, this unfinished, imperfect self. Until that illusion collapses, nothing real can begin. Everything you thought you knew about who you are was built by a mind terrified of emptiness. The temple collapsed, the script dissolved. The god of productivity no longer answers. Now there is no belief to hide behind, only awareness, only silence. Most people will leave here and immediately find another story to believe. But if you are still here, sitting in the ruins of certainty, then something important has ended, and that ending is necessary. Comment cold. If you feel the absence where meaning used to be, don't escape it, don't replace it. This is where reconstruction begins. This is quiet mind. The lie is over.